Equipment in Palmon survival plays a crucial role in determining the strength of your squad. Understanding how equipment works is essential if you're serious about progressing in the game. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through Rarity, upgrading, and crafting, and give you practical tips on effectively managing your equipment. Rarity. There are 5 tiers: gray, green, blue, purple, and orange. Gray is the lowest tier, and orange is the highest. Orange equipment gives the best stats and the most attributes, but as you might expect, it's also the most difficult to obtain. Purple equipment is the second best. Compared to orange, it's much easier to acquire. The orange mask provides a 480 defense boost, while the purple hat only provides 184. For most players, the early game and even part of the mid-game rely heavily on purple equipment. A smart approach is to equip all your Palmon with purple first, so everyone has a solid baseline of stats. Then, as you start getting orange pieces, you can gradually swap them in. Ascend and enhance. Ascension is only available for purple and orange equipment. Each piece can be ascended to 5 stars. Every star you add boosts the attribute significantly and even unlocks an extra attribute. This makes Ascension one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your equipment. To ascend, you'll need a special item called Opus Pearls. These pearls are rare but can be found in the Prestige and VIP shops. Stars appear at the bottom of the equipment icon whenever you ascend a piece, showing the Ascension level. Enhancement works differently. It's available for all equipment, regardless of rarity. Enhancement basically increases the level of the equipment, boosting its stats further. You'll see the enhancement level displayed in the top left corner of the equipment. To enhance, you'll need temporite or unused equipment. Temporite is mainly produced in the Alchemist building but can also be exchanged from VIP, Guild, and Prestige shops. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Airship Trading. Airship Trading is one of the fastest and easiest ways to collect free equipment. The highest rarity we can currently get from Airship Trading is purple, which makes it very valuable for building up your squad in the early and mid-game. You can obtain equipment by running your trading ship or raiding other players' ships. Raiding can be very rewarding if you target the right opponents. If you can get 4 purple equipment daily, you can fill one squad with all purple equipment within 5 days. Equipment Smithy. Equipment Smithy is arguably the most essential feature for long-term equipment progression. At the Smithy, you can craft new equipment using coins and dreamium. This is the best way for free-to-play players to get orange equipment, because orange is tough to acquire. Do not craft purple or lower rarity equipment because you can get them easily. Save resources for the orange equipment. However, crafting an orange equipment isn't cheap. To make a single orange piece, you'll need 5,000 dreamium V, the highest rarity of dreamium out of 5. You can combine lower rarity dreamium into higher rarity versions or recycle high rarity dreamium back into lower versions if you need to rebalance. The raw dreamium is mainly produced by the dreamium sieve. You can also get limited weekly supplies from VIP, Guild, and Prestige shops. Tips. If you're free to play, never spread your resources too thin. Dreamium, temporite, and Opus Pearls are always in short supply, so spend them on your main squad as a priority. That's the team you'll be relying on. Pour your best equipment, highest ascension levels, and most enhancements into that squad. Once your main squad is strong enough, you can slowly invest in a second team. Next, don't ascend the purple equipment because you will replace it with orange equipment later. So, save the Opus Pearls for orange equipment. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.